Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to calibrate the screen in a Garmin StreetPilot C330, C340 and C580, all the C series Garmin StreetPilots. So this one is a StreetPilot C330. When the screen is off calibration, what happens is that when you press, try to enter an address and you press one alphabet, the other one next to it gets pressed, or if you press an icon, the icon right next to it gets pressed. So it's basically the pressure is off by half an inch or maybe a few millimeters or centimeters and whatnot. So here's how you repair that problem. So first thing you need to do is turn off the GPS, make sure it's completely off, and then press the power button and keep it pressed, don't let go. Yeah, just keep it pressed, don't let go. I'm not going to let go. Keep it pressed for up to a minute. And basically you have to keep it pressed until you get a dot in the lower left corner of the screen. That's when you let go the power button. So let's wait for the dot. It's probably 30 seconds, 40 seconds, may not be a full minute. Let's find out. There you go. So that's the dot. Now you need something with a very fine point to calibrate. I could use my nails, but I rather use something with much finer point, which is a stylus for a touch screen. Okay? So I press it, and the dot goes up. I'm going to follow it, and it comes to the right. You're going to follow, and follow it down, follow to the left, and calibration is complete. Click OK, and now we shouldn't have any problem entering the address, and every digit should appear. Let's go and enter an address. Spell country. So watch as I press G. See, G is pressed. When I come to F, E, D, C. See that? I come down and up. See how accurate it is. Like right now I'm in J. I go to K, Q, R. Everything is exactly where it should be. The accuracy is really, really good. And back. That's how you do the calibration on in any Garmin StreetPilot C series, which is C310, 320, 330, 340. Basically, they all look like this, little bulky units. All right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like.